Hello, South by Southwest team. My name is Vivian. I am from Hungary, and I am an award-winning researcher for Harvard and NASA. My research is about the most crucial creature on Earth that is invisible to the naked eye, but it is visible from space. This creature is called phytoplankton. Most people haven't heard about it, but it is extremely crucial because it produces over 50% of the Earth's oxygen, and also it directly impacts 4 of the 17 United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. Understanding it's important, NASA just released its brand new satellite into orbit in February 2024 to better monitor and understand this creature. And my research is specifically working with this satellite's data. So everything is brand new about this research, largely because the technology just allowed us to better research this creature from space. To bring this data closer to the people, I plan to bring 2 things on stage. Number 1, I plan to bring some water samples showing this creature. One is a greener type of water sample, and the other one is a browner type of water sample. All this is colored by this specific creature. And I also plan to bring on stage this old school device. This was developed 150 years ago, and this was the first device to try to monitor the color of the water bodies. It is kind of crazy that we went from this to the first human in space only within 60 years. People will walk away from this session with 3 key points. Number 1, they are going to understand what is the most crucial creature on Earth, which most people don't know about. Number 2, they will learn about the latest hardware and software developments in order to monitor this creature, such as NASA's latest satellite, as well as machine learning, AI, and data science models to better understand the data. And number 3, they are going to have a better understanding of how this creature affects their everyday life and how they can protect themselves from this creature, because some types of this is toxic. It can be dangerous if dogs or humans come in contact with infected waters. But I'm also very open to feedback in case you think that different types of takeaways would be more interesting. I'm super happy to adopt my speech. I can also talk about its global implications, what the United Nations is doing about it, etc., etc. Finally, my previous speaking engagements include both on-stage speaking as well as speaking in media studios. On stage, I have spoken before at TechCrunch Disrupt conference, at the Shark Tank event, and at the United Nations AI for Good conference. In a media studio, I talked before at the Harvard Media Studio at Harvard's Climate Action Week. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you will consider my application, and I hope to see you in Austin next year.
What do you think the most crucial organism on Earth is? 1 year ago, I would have thought that these are bees, because bees fly around, pollinate flowers, create food for animals and for humans. But it turns out that bees only have a good PR and marketing strategy. In fact, they are not that crucial. Others would argue that other humans are the most crucial organisms on Earth because we kind of need each other to recreate and create babies. But I invite you to think of something more immediate, more imminent, more crucial than food or recreation. And that is, take a deep breath. Yes, that is breathing, that is breathable air, that is oxygen.